Hello, dears. How are you today? Hope you're enjoying your time listening to our parents. Stay safe at home. We miss you so much. Okay, today we have a new sound. It's a very nice sound, and it's very rare that this sound comes in the beginning of words. Normally, it's by the end of the words. Can you guess? Okay, let's start. Do you want to hear a story about our letter and sound for today? Now, two boys are playing outside. One boy falls out of a tree and hurts his arm. In the hospital, a nurse takes an x-ray of the arm. Ks, ks, ks. The x-ray shows that the boy's arm is broken. The nurse puts a plaster cast on it to help it to mend properly. The action? Pretend to shoot someone with an x-ray gun saying ks, ks, ks. Do you want to hear the song? Come on, let's read it. Let's sing it together.
Take an x-ray. Take an x-ray. Take an x-ray. X-ray of my hands.
Again, do you want to play it again? Okay.
Take an x-ray. Take an x-ray. Take an x-ray. X-ray of my hands.
Amazing. Okay. That was fun singing. So again, pretend to take an x-ray with an x-ray camera saying ks, ks, ks. Now, let's start tracing the ks sound. Okay. Slide down to the right, slide down to the left. And again, slide down to the right, slide down to the left. Amazing! Write it again in the air. Slide down to the right, slide down to the left. Amazing! Slide down to the right, slide down to the left. Let's go with the lowercase. Slide down to the right, slide down to the left. Excellent! Let's look and name words that has a x sound. X, like in box, box. What else? Number 6, 6. And I see this cunning sly fox, fox, x, x, fox. Last but not least, I have an x-ray, x-ray. Box, fox, 6, x-ray. Excellent. Let's circle the x sound. I have the first picture is of a box. Where's the x? Amazing. Then I have a fox. The x is in. Come on, point to it. Perfect. Then I have number 6. Where is number 6? Where are you? There it is. Last but not least, I have an axe. 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 Now, let's circle the x on the box. How many do I see? 1, 2. Okay, I think you can finish finding the rest of the x sound on the box. I know you can do it. Now for the fun activity time, let's take an x-ray picture. How will we do it? ask your parents to help you in drawing a silhouette of your hand, and then glue some cotton swabs or cotton buds like the bones inside your hands. Voila! You have an X-ray picture for your hands. Don't forget, take a picture, send it to us via the school application. We'd love to see it. Thank you for listening, sweethearts.